TJ Ortman here with MarineMax, Minnesota. Here we have our 2014 South Bay 724 RS. That is a 24-foot tri-tune powered by a Merc 150 horsepower. This boat features a ton of space. It has a nice vinyl wood-looking floor. On the port side here, you do have the 3 captain's chair for lots of space, lots of room to sit. You do have loungers throughout the boat. Underneath all the seats, you do have a ton of storage. Underneath the helm, you will have more storage. You got a nice captain's chair up here. It is equipped with a hummingbird as well for fishing. And if you have any more questions, feel free to give us a call here at MarineMax at 763-428-4126. And as always, like the video and subscribe to our link and keep updated on all our future videos.